It's a snow day, and I know you guys can't see me. It snowed crazy last night, so we're going to get some essentials, toilet paper, water, and then I'm making pot roast, so you guys will see. In the crock pot today. We got some carrots, some celery, and some onion. That's gonna go inside. I did forget potatoes to put in there, so we will not be having no potatoes. But we got the chuck roast. We got the seasoning packet, beef stew, the seasoning, ranch seasoning, and then I was gonna get the onion packet, but they didn't have no onion packets. We have Worcestershire sauce. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brown both sides of the roast before I put it into the crock pot. But I also have to cut up the onion. I have to cut up the onion and wash the celery and place the carrots in there as well. So we gotta cut the onion and then season the meat, but then season the sauce. We got beef broth, beef and mama, chicken mama chair. My eyes itchy. Dang. I'm only gonna use one onion, couple celery, and then this whole bag of carrots. We need to rinse that off though. Okay, so we're about to, when I go get my eyes tested, I think I want those really skinny, like oval shaped glasses. I think I would like those as well. These are like big out there. Well, not really, because they're clear frames, but I think the small skinny ones, the ovals with tortoise, would look so elegant and so chic and so cute. So when I go get my eyes checked, I think those are the glasses that I'm gonna pick out. I could not be a vampire. They would be like, no garlic. Couldn't be me. Could not be me. I'd be tearing garlic up. Me and garlic go together real bad.